In this car we're replacing a camshaft sensor. There's a new sensor. This is a Vauxhall Astra. Location of the camshaft sensor is right here, just above the camshaft. First you have to take off the sensor, which obviously brings the electricity. Pull off the sensor. So only have one bolt. Take out the bolt. As you can see, this one's dirty and damaged. You can see the oil leaked on it, burnt out. And this is the new sensor. So first you have to check it against the old one, make sure it's the same. It's practically the same, it's just different design on this bit, but it's the same sensor. Okay, and to get it in is the same thing. You just push the new, and this